Practice emergency park. Signal to the right, check your mirror and your right shoulder. Get off the road as far as possible. Make a complete stop. Now, when you go for a driving test, they could say, pull over and do an emergency park, or do an emergency stop, or do a roadside park, or a roadside stop. It all means the same thing. Whereas you get off the road totally, as far as possible. You're actually pretending that you have a flat tire. Now you need to change the tire, so you're getting off the road. So anyway, you signal, then you check your mirror, your right outside mirror, and then your right blind spot. Get as far to the right as possible, then stop. Apply your parking brake. Place the gear selector to park. Cancel your turn signal, and then you put your four-way hazards on. And then you can go about your business, changing your tire or whatever it is you need to do. But for a driving test, this is all you do. You follow the routine, whereas you signal to the right, check your mirror, check your blind spot, get off the road, apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, cancel your signal, and then you put your four-way hazards, and then you just hold the wheel at this position, which is a 9 and 3 position, and you keep your foot on the brake pedal. Now the examiner says, okay, let's go. So the first step is get rid of the four-way hazards, get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selector to drive, signal left, check your rear view mirror, check your side mirror and your blind spot, and if it's safe, you get onto the road. And be careful, do not over accelerate, because you spin your tires and that's not good. And of course on a test you would fail. So you have to move slowly back onto the road surface. Once you get your two tires on the road surface, then of course you speed up. Okay, that's it. That's called your emergency park or your emergency stop.